Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook red yeast rice. This unique ingredient, known for its vibrant color and earthy flavor, is a staple in many Asian cuisines. To start, take 1 cup of red yeast rice and rinse it thoroughly under cold, running water until the water runs clear. This step helps remove any excess starch. For a softer texture, consider soaking the rice in clean water for at least 30 minutes or even up to 2 hours before cooking. This simple preparation ensures a perfect result. There are 2 primary methods for cooking red yeast rice: using a rice cooker or a stovetop pot. If you're using a rice cooker, combine 1 cup of rinsed red yeast rice with 1 3/4 cups of water directly in the cooker. Close the lid and select the white rice or standard cook setting. For stovetop cooking, place 1 cup of rinsed rice in a saucepan with 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes. When cooking on the stovetop, after bringing the water to a boil, reduce the heat to its lowest setting. Cover the pot tightly and let it simmer for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. It's crucial not to lift the lid during this time, as the trapped steam is essential for proper cooking. Once the cooking time is complete, remove the pot from the heat but keep it covered. Allow the red yeast rice to rest for an additional 10 minutes. This step helps the grains fully absorb any remaining moisture and become perfectly fluffy. Once your red yeast rice has rested, gently fluff it with a fork to separate the grains. It's now ready to be enjoyed. This beautifully colored rice makes an excellent, nutritious side dish for many meals, or you can incorporate it into stir-fries, salads, or even unique desserts. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 3 days, ready to be reheated and savored again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.